Today I will bring you a popular product, white peach oolong tea. If it is not on the menu, hurry up next. Make tea base brewing and drink making. Add tea leaves and boiling water into the measuring pot, then stir well, then seal and brew for 10 minutes. After brewing, stir the tea leaves before filtering, then filter the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. Add milk to the shaker, condensed coffee milk, and today's protagonist, white peach oolong. The peach flavor of this white peach oolong is natural, and the flavor of tea is also very full. The overall taste is soft and full, so it is very suitable for making milk tea, fruit tea, and lemon series products. Then add the syrup and ice cubes, shake well and pour into the glass. Then whipped cream, topped with a Belgian biscuit and sprinkled with coconut brittle. If you want to know more about the latest raw material information in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoya students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.